I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the basics so the export is predictable. First, make sure the project sample rate and bit depth match your target, for example 44, 100Hz and 24-bit, because mismatch causes resampling or quality loss. Next, set the left and right cycle locators exactly where the song begins and ends. Once done, include a short tail for reverb decay. Also, reduce CPU load by freezing or bouncing heavy instrument tracks and bypassing unused plugins to prevent glitches during the final render. Now you choose how Logic outputs audio and why each choice matters. Open Bounce project or section and decide offline bounce for speed or real-time if you use external gear. Select WAV or AIF for archival masters, MP3 or AAC for quick demos. If you reduce from 24-bit to 16-bit, apply dither to avoid quantization noise. Then, make sure to include or exclude volume automation and extra buses as required, and enable export of markers if you need stems or chapter points for later editing. Finish by running the bounce and verifying results because an unchecked export can hide problems. Name your file descriptively, pick the correct bit depth and sample rate, then bounce to your chosen folder. Once exported, open the file in a separate audio player and compare loudness, fades, and stereo balance against the project. This confirms fidelity. If you encounter clicks, missing plugins, or timing errors, rebounce in real time, temporarily disable suspect plugins, or export stems to isolate and fix the offending track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.